How you doing? What do you think about this? Now follow me on this. Cast iron skillet, pizza dough, pizza sauce, olive oil, mozzarella, all this in this whomping hot oven making cast iron skillet pizza. Let's try this, see what happens. GardenFork, making things, making food. If I can do it, you can do it. If you ever watched GardenFork before, I'm a big fan of cast iron. Seasoning it, cleaning it, cooking in it, all of it. And I love pizza, so putting the two together is nirvana, maybe. But let's just start. I'll talk while we're cooking, because that usually works better for me. So first, we want to get our pan. Oh, this is the small one. I want the bigger one. We want to get this whomping hot, and then we're going to cook a little bit of sausage, and then go from there, okay? I'm going to be using some grocery store sweet Italian sausage. There's 6 in here. I'm going to use 2, and I'm going to cut them out of here. Couple other ingredients I have: olive oil, nothing fancy, just olive oil. A quality spaghetti sauce. I mean, you can get like a pizza sauce, you can get whatever makes you happy. Whatever's in the fridge will work, you know. And then I have some mozzarella. I mean, you can get various grades of this. This is like a skillet pizza. It's gonna taste good no matter what, because you made it, right? So I'm gonna break this up. The hardest part about this, well, maybe not the hardest, is the pizza dough itself. And I'm a big advocate of making it, but then I always forget, and then you're like, oh, I want to make pizza tonight. Well, here's my solution for you. You go and buy it. Ready? Most of the time you see me, I'm up in our little house, our little weekend place, but I'm down here in Brooklyn right now. And one of the beauties of being in Brooklyn is when I need something food-wise, it's literally on the corner or a block or 2 away. So let's go get pizza stuff. All right, no pizza dough at the big store. But the beauty of New York is if you can't find it one place, you can walk about 100 feet and probably find it. So I have a plan B here. I was hungry. Thanks to Luigi's, we have some pizza dough now, so here we go. Hey, hey. Success. Super great. Luigi's on the corner. It smells like pizza dough. And all you have to do is go down there and give them $5, you know? Just the big reveal. Uh-oh, it's kind of stuck. Oh, how cool is that? This is more than we're gonna need for our pan, I think. But let's try and see what happens. So this is, I measured it because I'm an adult, 12 ounces of pizza dough. I took out that much of what they sold me so I can make another pizza. I'm inspired by 2 different videos I watched. Noreen's Kitchen. Noreen is a friend of mine. She has a skillet pan pizza video. And also on Bon Appetit, they had 2, and I learned a lot. I got the idea for the sausage and also a 12-ounce measurement for a cast iron pan that was really helpful. So I'll link in the text for those 2 videos. Thank you. Set your oven, wrong button, sorry. Set your oven for 475 or 500, wherever you can get it to. That's cooking, that's preheating, and I'm forgetting that I always forget to preheat the oven. Do you do that? Somebody's very interested in pizza, I bet. Yes. So I'm going to oil this board. Some people will flour it. Because I've already got meat and oil in that pan, I'm just going to add more oil here. This goes here, and then I'm going to, well, I just kind of mashed it. I want this to go in a big circle. I kind of folded it over on itself, so I messed this up, sorry. Ideally, you want to make a little ring So that'll be the crust, but I kind of messed this up. So, all right, well, done is better than perfect, as we say here. Yeah, I got some holes here. Bad thing. All right, I have an idea for the holes. I'm just gonna make a patch and lay it on top. Kind of like joint compound. All right, no one will be none the wiser. Just you and I is gonna know, all right? All right, so the inner diameter is what, about 11, 10? And then this is, well, it's a work in progress. So this is kind of an oval. I need it more of a circle. So, hey, let's try this. That doesn't look nice. Oh well, it is what it is, you know? Okay, I'm gonna take our sausage out of here, but I want to try and keep that oil in there, if that's possible. And we're gonna pour the excess out. That's a little too much fun. And then we're gonna try and slide this thing. Well, I don't know how we're gonna do this. Oh, that worked like I knew what I was doing or something. So I just turned this burner on again. I want to wamp the heat up on this pan. I'm surprised I got that in there. And we'll put on our sauces and cheeses and toppings. Forget what that's called for a minute there. And we'll put this in the oven, but the hotter this pan when it goes in, ooh, I can hear it crisping. Is that a word? The crust is cooking. All right, let's do this. All right, wamping up the skillet may not have been the greatest idea. Watch till the end, you'll see why. I don't think you need a ton of sauce, but you need enough to sauce the pizza, right? Like Brad at Bon Appetit, I like the sauce up on the crust. I think that needs more. I'm gonna turn the heat down, because that's clearly wamping hot now. That's a new word here at GardenFork. Wamping hot. I'd like to make mozzarella one day. Have you ever made mozzarella? I like oregano on my pizza. Maybe not all this sausage. That's a lot of sausage on a pizza. I forgot this rack. This rack should be as high as you can get it and still get the pizza in there. This. All right, you're gonna do this better than me because you're not trying to make a video while making pizza, okay? It looks more chaotic than it should be. I think this will turn out great though. Hello? Who smells sausage, huh? Who smells pizza? Yeah. Hey, guess what Eric forgot? To set the timer. Forgot to put the batteries in the timer. Might be another project. I think about 2 minutes has gone by. I'm gonna guess it's about 12 minutes. It really depends on your oven. I mean, this oven, this is pretty new. I really love my oven up at the house, the little white one. It came out of a 50s camper trailer van thing. It's pretty cool. So pizza and pizza dough and pizza ovens, I've made a pizza oven, believe it or not, is a big theme on GardenFork. So watch this video and then stick around to the end. I'll give you a link to watch all the other ones. Oh wow. Oh wow. That is incredible. I'm really surprised. I really am. I thought it would I thought I really had that messed up, but ow, that's hot. Let's look at the crust though. Oop, I'm breaking it. I'm good at that, aren't I? I womped up the skillet a little too much, but you made this. It's amazing. Let's just leave it at that, okay? There are more videos right here, more pizza, pizza oven, everything Eric and Pizza, Eric's Pizza World, right here for you to click on. I'm gonna enjoy this, and I'll see you in the next video.